and today we're going to make restaurant-style salsa in the blender.
Add to a blender 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 4 Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapenos, 1 habanero pepper, half of a red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 handful of fresh chopped cilantro. You're also going to want to add all the juice you can squeeze out of 1 fresh lime. In a pinch, bottled lime juice would work fine here too. And I also like to add a splash of water just for good measure. My blender is a little old, as well as a sprinkle of sea salt and a generous sprinkle of sugar. From there, just cover the blender and hit the blend or liquefy button depending on how powerful your blender is. I just love watching all the flavor come together in this salsa and want you to note that you don't have to use all the peppers I did. I like it really spicy. Pour it out into your serving vessel, dip, and enjoy.